Alright, our rice is now boiling, so we're going to go ahead and put a top on that and then reduce the heat to let it simmer. And we're going to let that go until all of the liquid is absorbed. That should be about 15 minutes. We're going to take our saute pan and keeping the handle turned away from us and especially out from the side, we're going to go ahead and heat up a teaspoon of oil. And we're going to make sure that covers the bottom, a little bit up on the sides. And while that's heating, I'm going to cut 2 more cloves of garlic, discard the ends, and mince them, take them off the edge of the blade. When the 2 are together, then we'll mince them until they're in smaller chunks. And once the oil is hot, we'll add it to the pan and saute.